Today, I want to show you how to recreate this portfolio website. It's a photographer's portfolio. It has this projects page, an about page. In the projects page, we can click on an image and then enter the project to see other images. And we'll do this with Laytheme. I already installed WordPress and Laytheme, and I'm accessing the admin panel in WP Admin. Here in Appearance Themes, I added Laytheme here, Add Theme, Upload Theme, and then I chose my zip file. And also here in Plugins, I added the Carousel add-on. Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, and then I chose the Carousel add-on, which is here. And I also uploaded some images. Now, the first step we want to do is we want to create a front page. So we'll just add a page here. Let's call it front page. And we will add carousel as the element on the front page. For the carousel, I will add some images here. I will choose those. And we will use those settings. Fixed height, 100 VH, which is the browser height. Show multiple slides, centered slides, and space between slides. We'll use 10 pixel. Let's say OK. We will add the carousel in here, and we will just move it to the whole width, and we'll set the frame to 0 for the top and bottom. Now if we look at the site, we will see this here is our slideshow, but this still says we need to create a menu. So I just click here, add a menu name, and say primary menu, OK. And if we look at the page again, now this notification is gone. Okay, and the next step is we need to actually set this page as the front page. So we go to Settings, Set Front Page, choose Page here, and select our front page. Now when we go on our website, this page is our front page. The next thing we want to set up is the About page and the Projects page. So for the About page, we will go here, click Add Page, and we'll enter About. So here I just add a text and I paste the text for the About page, set it to the full width. And now we want to add this About page to our menu. So we go to Appearance Menus and we add the About page here, save it. And when we look at our site, we see our About button is here. Now we want this About text to open as an overlay, just as it does on his website here. To do that, we go to the settings. So we go here to Lay Options, and we click Activate Page Overlays. Once page overlays are enabled, we can set overlay settings in every page. So for example here, I can say Use as Overlay. I want the X-Close icon to show up, and I want it to be a little bit smaller. And I also want the animation to come in from the right. And once we save this and look at the site, we click on the About button and we see the overlay just as we want it. So next up is the Projects page. The Projects page is an overview page, so we will just add it as a page here, say Projects, and publish this. In our button Projects here, we can actually add some projects, so we'll just say Add Project. We always have to enter the title, and we also have to enter the project thumbnail, which is a preview image of the project. We say Publish, and of course here in our project we can add all our project images, and this will be the layout of that project. Now let me just quickly add a few more projects. Okay, great. Now we have 5 different projects. The sample project I will just delete. And when we go to our page that says projects, we can now add all these project thumbnails to that page. And we can do so using, for example, the thumbnail grid. In the thumbnail grid, you will see that we have all our thumbnails listed with the title, and we can choose different layout options. So let's just go with masonry layout, and we want 3 columns. So if I insert this looks pretty okay already. If we look at his site, we see there are no project titles. So we also want to hide our project titles. So first, let's just add this page to our menu, appearance, and add it here. Let's say save. Now in customize, we can click on the projects link, and here we can say project thumbnails, project title, and we set it to hide. Now this is looking much more like the way we want it to be. Let's just see if we can change the spacing a little bit. I would say probably we want less space here and less space here. Maybe we also want to change the order a little bit. Okay, so this is already looking pretty good. We have the about page, we have the projects page. If we click on a project, we go inside of it, but we haven't really created any layouts for the projects themselves and the site title. So what I still see now is the font is a little bit big. So we just go to text formats and we change the default font style that the website uses. So here I will just say 12 pixel size and 12 pixel, 12 pixel. Now this is looking much more like our example site, but we also want to change the spacing here. The site title needs to be further to the left and the menu needs to be further to the right. And we can do that in customize. So we go to the admin panel, customize, site title, and the position is left. So let's say left spacing should be in pixel and maybe 15 pixel. And we do the same for our menu. So we go to menu style, primary menu, and space right should be in pixel and here 15 pixels. So now we got this out of the way and the website looks pretty much the way we want it. So as a next step, I would just fill out all the layouts for the projects themselves and then look at the mobile version of the website to see if we can improve on that.